Yeah. After about 4.5 hours, we made it into Costa Rica. Woo! And we got 90 days. And yeah.
The Costa Rica side was very smooth.
Oh, that was the smoothest ever. But the Nicaraguan, they wanted us to go through the scanner on the way out, imagine. And it was a lot of back and forth and waiting. But you know, it's a border.
It's our Mondays, even though we tend to cross on Sundays.
Yeah, we do. Yeah. So we are here. It's raining cats and dogs, but it'll stop in November.
That's what I hear. It rains like all day long.
It's already June. So. Good morning, Costa Rica. Finally, we can camp wild again. It's beautiful. Wow, just next to a river here, and yeah, it's gorgeous. And there's howler monkeys in the trees, and the sun is even shining today. Wow, for a change. We had a lot of rain recently, but all right. Well, explore, and let's see if we can see some sloth today. Maybe we'll see some sloth and some more monkeys. Ah.
Riskiest thing in my life. I have sent my passport back to England because it needs renewing, and we've weighed up whether I should fly back to England and get it done or send it, because I have a stamp in my passport that's 90 days, so I need my old passport back and my new one within those 90 days.
In Costa Rica.
Costa Rica.
Yeah. Risky, but we gotta do it.
We gotta do it.
Yeah. Fingers crossed.
Yes.
With the passport sent in Liberia in the north, we decided to stripe east towards Lake Arenal. First stop, Aguas Tamales, Thermomania, to celebrate my birthday.
That's the Flintstones, Zoe. Very cool. Huh? She's Donald Duck and Daisy Duck. Happy birthday! Birthday breakfast!
Beautiful, thank
Yeah.
you. French toast.
French toast.
The catcher stole my bacon.
Unbelievable.
How's that for a present?
Yeah, these guys over here.
We are at Thermomania.
Beautiful. We're all by ourselves, having the whole place to ourselves, and we're going swimming in the hot pools. And by the way, it's Abigail's birthday.
A great way to spend my 39th birthday. Last year of the 30s.
Yes. Oh well, I'm way past that. All right, let's go and hit the pools. What a birthday!
Having it all yourself.
Yeah, new swimsuit on top of that. Oh, it's beautiful.
So beautiful, it's so warm. Thermomania.
Beautiful. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Costa Rica has recently become a very popular tourist destination. With its 12 climate zones, which range from active volcanoes to cloud forests, tropical beaches and dense jungles, it draws in nature and wildlife lovers from all over the globe. One of these tourist hotspots is Lake Arenal and La Fortuna, which is where we are headed to now. Even all the overlanders go there, and this spot here is free.
Camp spot for the night? here on Lake Arenal.
Minus the palm trees, Lake Arenal could well be a spot in Switzerland. Wind turbines, rolling hills, cows and fancy properties with manicured gardens. One of which we got to spend the evening at whilst visiting our Pennsylvanian friends who were doing a house sit. La Fortuna, meaning the fortune, was indeed costly, but a very cool thing about this town is the free hot river one can bathe in. Another must-see in Costa Rica is Monteverde. This is possibly the country's most visited attraction, and boy did we know it. A simple walk high above the treetops of this famous cloud forest will set you back $40 per person, and a Tarzan swing double. With our Swiss family visiting us soon, we thought better to save that for later. However, just before we checked out, we came across this little gem, Renario.
What are you looking for?
The common rain frog.
Yeah, where are we here?
We're Renaria, I think it's called.
Yeah.
It's like a rana is the name in Spanish for frog.
Frog Park.
Yeah, and they have like 28 species here, and we're going on 2 tours. We're going to look at the day ones now and the nocturnal ones at about 7 o'clock tonight.
Now we're getting to the more interesting frogs, the poisonous ones, and let's see if we can find it. So far, we've not been able to spot them, but we have Jose, the tour guide here, that finds them for us.
That's beautiful.
Oh wow, beautiful. Red-eyed leaf tree frog. Wow, say that 3 times in a row.
Zoe and Richie getting the strawberry poison frog with the mackerel lens.
Oh, it's got them in. Look. Oh, look, it's got them. So we've come back now a few hours later. It's dark and the frogs are up. They're all up and about. You can spot them real easy. It's very dark in here, but we got flashlights and we're about to see a few more frogs. So yay, there you go. Let's go. Oh, that's beautiful. Woo! Red-eyed tree-leaf frog. Leaf tree frog.
We descended down to sea level, entering the Nicoya Peninsula, apparently one of the 5 blue zones of the world, where people supposedly live well beyond 100 years of age. We were just after the beach.
We have to do a river crossing, but first we need to check whether the river is not too deep and we will actually not sink. So I'm sending Abigail. All right, here's the river. Yeah. All right, let's see. Huh? Here. Well, I'll be driving down here. Wow. Doubt it's a good idea.
It's already muddy.
Yeah, I know. Very muddy. Okay.
Very slippery. I don't think you're gonna do this.
Okay, I'll come out. It's too much. Yeah, it's hip deep. Okay, I guess that's a no. We got to turn back. All right. Well, that's life here in Costa Rica.
Rainy season runs between mid-May and November, and a lot of heavy rain is to be expected. That being said though, the mornings tended to be quite nice and definitely got us out of bed earlier than usual. These locals, however, were not fazed with the afternoon downpours, and no sloppy, slushy mud was going to stop them from enjoying their local weekend games.
Goes and checks the waters. Hopefully it's not too deep so we can drive through the river.
Here he comes. Pura vida, isn't it beautiful? Wow, that's our camp spot for the night.
What do you say to this beautiful place?
It is deserted, it is exotic, and we have it all to ourselves. Stunning. Pink shells.
Well, I'm happy. Let's hope the sandflies are not eating us up. Oh, little crabs running around here. Yeah. Yeah, this beach looks awesome. Look at it. It's beautiful. Yeah, Costa Rica has its places. I mean, this is pretty cool. Pretty remote too. Wow.
So, what's on the menu tonight at our beach?
Well, let's get the cat out of the bag.
I hope it's not a cat.
Oh, we went shopping.
There we go, in the rain. Oh.
Rainy season. Unbelievable. Well, this is our private beach for the last 3 days, and beautiful. We're all by ourselves, and yeah, loving Costa Rica, of course, and it's free. So one of the few things that is free here in this country, but so beautiful. Yeah. Well, when the sun is shining, we had like hurricane gusts and everything. It rains every day, but when the sun is shining and it's now like 11 o'clock, it is brutal. It really is. I mean, even I put sun cream on, and I don't do that very often. Das sind die Fische da gewesen. Hast du gesehen? Die haben wir den Fisch gegeben. Very cool, huh? Very cool. Huh? So these two fishermen, I started talking to them, and then he says, "Hey, do you have beer?" I said, "Of course I have beer." So we traded. 2 fish for 2 cans of beer. Very good. I love it. Next adventure, I'm gonna cut both ladies' hair. So this is before.
This is, by the way, I have lasted 2 years and 8 months without him having to touch my hair. And now it's like, I'm desperate.
Mommy, is it okay?
It's looking lovely.
Fried the fish and we're having ourselves a beautiful lunch. Tell me net feest. Dus net weer man. Woody woody. Ah, so fun. Wow, that's huge. Turtle Beach.
A whole sand dollar.
Oh, sand dollar.
Look at the flower
Beautiful.
on that.
Wow, they're huge sand dollars. Beautiful. We have a sunset in the middle of the rainy season. That's pretty cool. It's beautiful. Wow, watch that.
These first 2 weeks of our 3-month trip around Costa Rica has begun rather splendidly. Until next time.
Thank you.